How to have healthy pregnancy. It is true that pregnancy is in the 9 months of conceiving the infant can be extremely tough for the woman. A female struggles with pain management, food issues, wellness choice, her body figure and fears. With this so as to make the infant within her healthful to maintain her condition healthful. The way for a woman is to stay aware and happy. Being sensitive and conscious of needs, connection link and your own emotions are key elements that contribute being of a female. If a woman becomes aware of these priorities, while carrying a developing fetus inside her uterus, she places herself together to have a condition that is gorgeous. Here are a number of the advice on a woman may stay healthful out and in consciousness, with no doubt the hormones inflict disorder of a woman. This is what they call a mom nature's way in preparing herself the later part of owning a child will put through her. Her situation is uncontrollable. All you need to do is to try to enjoy the ride. Nevertheless, here are a number to the techniques in dealing with your own emotions that would come up. In the phase of pregnancy, never hide exactly what you really feel. It's extremely essential that you know how to have possession of your emotions, or it may have a negative impact on your body and also to your unborn kid, since your emotions will generate a certain type of chemical which will pass your own body's sentiments to your unborn child. If you're overwhelmed with your emotions as frustrations, sadness and anger, it's recommended that you stop for some time and ask yourself why you're reacting that way. Be confident. Fear is among the most complicating issues in pregnancy. Should you trust your own body and give into the process, you can release the fear and end up trying the joy while carrying your baby. It's also very essential that you pay attention to your positive experiences. There's much info regarding the nutritional and bodily needs of a female during her pregnancy. Below are a few of them. Drink water on a regular basis. It's recommended that you drink water at least 2 liters a day. Eliminate your hobby of drinking soft drink and beverages with drinking juice is far better. Eat vegetables and fruits. Eating both raw and cooked vegetable every day is good for your wellness because calcium as well as protein is extremely essential for the development of the baby in your womb. Taking prenatal vitamins every day is also important. Make certain to participate in appointments with your midwife or doctor. Recognize the other needs of your bodily body. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.